Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Update WhatsApp and back up important chats so you can experiment without risk. Once done, decide whether you want system-level Do Not Disturb or targeted muting for specific chats. Open WhatsApp, tap a chat, then view its contact or group info. Make sure you also open your phone settings to notifications. Start with the quickest action. Mute a single noisy chat for 8 hours to confirm the behavior before changing system DND rules. Now configure the middle steps. Mute groups and contacts. Choose 8 hours, 1 week, or always to match your rhythm. This immediately silences messages. You should also set custom notifications for any contact allowed to bypass muting. Toggle sound, vibrate, and pop-up so important people get through. Then go to your phone's focus or Do Not Disturb schedules and add WhatsApp as a suppressed app or allow specific contacts. This ties app behavior to time-based rules, so you don't need manual toggles each day. Finish by testing. Send messages from a muted chat and from an allowed contact to confirm silence for one and alerts for the other. Make final adjustments to exceptions. Decide whether calls, repeat callers, or starred contacts bypass Do Not Disturb. If notifications still arrive, check notification channel settings, clear the app cache, and restart your phone. If that fails, reinstall WhatsApp after backing up. This troubleshooting tip resolves most persistent notification issues and restores expected DND behavior.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.